And so far all our discussions have been based on simulations, but it's worthwhile having a look at a real life video where we can see the same sort of motion happen. So in this, the basketball is fired, so it's a free fall, it's a projectile, no other force acting on it once it's left the thrower's hand. And if we look at it a frame or so at a time and put in some vertical grid lines, what we can see is every 2 frames we've put in a line to show the position of the left hand side of the ball. And what we see is that it moves the same horizontal distance in that same time frame. So we see the constant horizontal speed. We can do a similar idea and look at the vertical motion with horizontal grid lines. And once again, take a measurement this time from the bottom of the ball every 2 frames. And what we see are the lines getting closer together as the ball decelerates on the way up. And if we kept it going and did it on the way back down, we would find similar sort of pattern again.